Restoration. Restoration is near. Restoration is near. Hallelujah. Restoration is near. It is coming. What you've waited for shall soon be here. Restoration, you see, it isn't just about being transformed back to the beginning, but back to the way God intended it to be. Back to the way God originally desired. Back to before the deception from the liar. There we shall all be where we were created to be, transformed into the complete likeness of the Father, of you and me. Fully restored, yes, restoration complete. Hallelujah, hallelujah, my Father and me.